Hello, this is Alice from Flux Laser Studio. We are here to show you today how to prepare text for laser engraving in Adobe Illustrator. So we are going to open up our Adobe Illustrator and let's start a new document. And we'll just have the one artboard. So here we go. So we're going to do our type test. And let's make it a wee bit bigger so we can see. So at the moment this is just digital information. This isn't a vector, and the vector is what the laser machine needs to be able to engrave or cut the object out. So the best way to do this, the easiest way, is go up to the type menu and create outlines. So if you've got lots of different text boxes, then what you can do is select all, so Command A in Mac or Control A in PC, and then up to that type menu, create outlines. The issue with this is that it does mean that it makes it uneditable beyond this point. So this will be the last thing that you do before you send us the file. Alternatively, there is also, if you have a script type font, so something that overlays each other. So let's see, I know that this font kind of overlaps each other. So then when we convert this to outlines, when we create outlines, which yes you can also do by right clicking and create outlines, you can see here if we go into outline mode that these pieces overlap each other. With laser cutting and laser engraving, if something is overlapping each other, it's like a double negative. It ends up being positive. So what we need to do in this situation is make it so it's all one piece, so it's not got overlapping parts. So let's turn it back onto the normal viewpoint. So to get in and out of outline mode, it's Command Y in Mac and Control Y in PC. And then so we're going to go to the Pathfinder menu and Unite. This means that it just gets rid of those overlapping parts. So going back into the outline mode, you can see that they've all disappeared. So it's not always just script fonts. So this could be if you are using a serif font, but you've brought it together. So let's say Times Roman, for example. If you have reduced the distance between each of the letters, and these things are overlapping, so let's jump up to -200. Obviously this is an exaggeration, but when we create outlines here, we can see again that these pieces are all overlapping. So then we'll just go up to the Pathfinder menu and click on the Unite, and then there we go. So I hope that helps. So always, before you send your file over to us, select all, type menu, create outlines, and that will mean if you're using any unusual fonts or fonts that we don't have on record or in our collection, then it means that it doesn't get replaced. Perfect. Thanks very much for watching. If you have any questions about laser cutting or wanting to get some stuff done, feel free to head over to our website www.fluxlaserstudio.co.uk, or alternatively drop us an email to hello@fluxlaserstudio.co.uk, or head over to our Twitter or Instagram @fluxlaserstudio. Thanks very much.